We guide you through how to hide your like reels on Instagram so your activity stays private and only visible to you. So the first thing you need to do is to open the app and go straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. From there, select your activity and look for interactions. Then tap on likes where all your like posts and reels are stored. Now, here's the important part. Instagram doesn't currently allow you to fully hide your like reels from your own account view. But what you can do is control who sees your activity by switching your account to private. So go back to the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Account Privacy, and toggle on Private Account. This ensures only approved followers can see your content and interactions. If you want to go further, you can also unlike specific reels by tapping the heart icon again to remove them from your like list, which is the only way to completely clear them. Quick tip: regularly reviewing and unliking content keeps your profile cleaner and more private.